Yeah, hi everyone. Today in this tutorial I am going to explain you about how to install and set up the self-hosted integration runtime in the Azure Datafactory. So I am opening to my Datafactory. This is the Datafactory. So in the Manage tab, so this is the integration runtime. So in the integration runtime we have auto-resolving integration runtime. This is the by default integration runtime which is given by Microsoft. So in order to connect on-premise sources, we need to install self-hosted integration runtime. So for that one, what we need to do is click on this option, new option, then select Azure Self-Hosted. This is the one. Then click on continue. Then here you need to specify the type of the integration runtime you need. Then I am selecting self-hosted integration runtime. This is the one. Then click on continue. Then here you need to provide the name of the integration runtime. So for this one I am providing self-hosted IR. Then if you want any description you can add here. So I don't want any description, so I'm leaving this as a blank. Then click on create. Then what you need to do is you need to install the self-hosted integration runtime in the machine. So for that one, what you need to do is we need to go to this option to manual setup. So once you click on this option, it will be directed to Microsoft portal. So here you are seeing the download option. Then this is the latest version of the integration runtime .msi file, which is having 973.1 MB. Then click on this one and click on next here. So once you click it, the file will be downloaded. Then come to this area, select one key. These are the two keys which we need to provide while installing the self-hosted integration runtime. So I am copying this key. So click on here. So I have copied this one. Then I will search for the .msi file which is downloaded. So this is the .msi file which is downloaded from the Microsoft portal. So I am clicking on this one. Then click on next. Accept the terms and conditions. Next. So here you need to specify the path in which path your self-hosted integration runtime need to be installed. Then click on next. Next click on install. Then here click on OK. Close this one. Then finish. So here you need to provide the key which is copied previously from the data factory. So I'm just pasting the key which I copied. Then click on register. So this is connected to my on-premise machine. This is my machine name. Then click on finish. Then click on close. Close. Now we are seeing self-hosted integration runtime is unavailable. Then click on refresh. So now it is running, which means it is successfully installed in the particular on-premise machine. So this is all about how to install and set up the self-hosted integration runtime.